We uplift the world. Be free. Be yourself. Love what you do. Do what you love. Dance every day. Praise God.
So you get it to yourself.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So we just.
Stefan gets the VIP chair.
So actually now it's time we should close the gates.
Oh, yeah?
Who are friends or donors or benefactors of the museum that's within drivable distance to you, or a local nonprofit center. Now,
the ability to create and express oneself through a creative medium is one of the things that's essential to human health, period. If you look at Maslow's hierarchy of needs, at the top is self-actualization, which really is fulfillment. It's feeling like we're achieving something worthy of what we deem successful, feeling like we are in the progressive realization of our dream or a purpose. Being in purpose is something that's really important and that I always come back to. So I think expressing ideas are necessary and is a necessary process for becoming purpose, being in purpose. It takes collecting of ideas, expressing of ideas, sharing, picking up and putting down of different concepts, colors, shapes, words, languages, until we can really develop ourself and become sure and certain in who we are and how we want to speak to the world and put something out there or do something or have a way of life, a way of working. It's all up to us. We decide it and create it. So yeah, I think that when that ability is inhibited or limited or misguided by others or suppressed, or if we're even ignorant of our abilities to create, that can cause all kinds of mental health issues. Whether it's schizophrenia, dementia, all kinds of things can happen from one not being fully expressed and having healthy communication available, healthy relationships, love. I look at all these things as art. I seek to give love and build healthy relationships and improve communication with the paintings that I make, with the way that I dress, with the way that I interact with people in person, in real life. Being love and coming from a genuine, organic place is something that I think is a through line in all my work and everything that I say and do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's an essential piece of human life that can oftentimes be missing. Creativity and art, I'm talking about. So I make art so that others can visually experience that feeling and feel an exchange of creative energy and love and light and life without having to create it.
That's beautiful.